I am Ann Bretaah Codjoe, a PhD student with the School of Public Health from University of Ghana. I'm now a Dahdaleh scholar and I'm working at the Global and Environmental Health Lab. So I worked under the supervision of Professor broaden of the Global and Environmental Health Lab. So my research is focused on household air pollution and health outcomes, specifically cooking-related burns and lung function. And this was in the Ghanaian context. So like I said, in this era where everybody is looking at quality air or good air, those of us from the sub-Saharan are also looking for ways to have a fresh breath, so because everybody is looking at a future where every breath is of vitality and quality. So this work is part of a bigger project. So I see that things are made in such a way that they bridge classroom knowledge with real life activities. Learning how to make an e-poster, producing 3 manuscripts from my thesis and an e-poster which has been accepted for a conference in Helsinki. Academic success, being able to bring together or develop manuscripts for publication from your papers that you have drafted, that is one skill. Then communicating your research findings, that is through presentations, conference communications. IVRT program and the exposure I've had in Canada, I think I see a better version of me, a better version of Ann today, because I feel I'm confident, I'm quite independent in carrying out activities of daily living, and especially in response to my research work, I feel think and see things differently than I came. So thinking back into the IVRT program, I would say so far so good. It's been great, and I would say it's a win for all, though it has made me a better Ann today. And it's a win to progress and to keep up the collaboration spirit between York University and other universities, example York Universities and University of Ghana. I feel the environment is supportive and you'll be able to thrive well. Now I feel empowered in conducting research. So I would say if you're a student and you get the opportunity, do it, because the environment is supportive. Everything is here.